Hey guys, so even though I didn't even record no Groovepad music because the audio was a little muted, I couldn't even hear what I was saying on the videos, but it's kind of like a little painful right now. But my voice was kind of muted somehow. I couldn't even talk on there, and I was already trying to, get certain attention from you guys. So we should get some more Groovepad, like we always do. So even though I didn't even film any more songs, but we can stick with this one. And today's song is Imaginarium. Okay, lessons 1 through 10. So let's get started. No ads need to be showing. Alright, lesson 1. Perfect. Even though I had to use a different screen recording, which is V recording, I already know how to use it. It's very important to use it. Not only that, I can imagine how deeply this screen recording could be easily used. Alright, so I'm watching Raldi 33, and Maggie's just way to me. See? Maggie, what you doing? Oh my gosh, I've been telling you for a millionth time, we're not shopping for stuff at Walmart right now. Okay? Okay. I don't have any money. Okay? Okay. Alright. Just wait. Oh my god, no. I'm not even shopping for that. No, I don't take no pills. Sorry, you scared the dog away. You actually scared the dog away. Oh, I'm sorry. I just need a quiet mouth. I intentionally need a quiet mouth. Could burst through my back quadrilateral support. But still, it is honestly a lack of failure. But anyway, lesson 2, here we go. Basically, I start from the beat, chords, lead, guitar, and then the bass and all that, yeah. Now lesson 2 is complete. Shh. What is it? You're very stubborn. Please be quiet, okay? Okay. Shh. I will have a quiet mouth. And and to remain silent. Not really, but I can easily propose and even talk like that. So you just ignore the fracture of your eyebrow. Oh yeah, I do. But anyways, lesson 3. Okay. Quit talking. Stop with the chip jabbering. No chip jabbering or nothing. So here we go. I can't tell how the lead sounds so equipped, but still, it did. Sounds so various. Okay, so lesson 3 is complete. Now it's time for lesson 4, and I better not try to screw this type of lesson to easily try to equivalent my whole entire disability on this. Try to assemble fractures between my designed technician and technology, or no, that's not it. But lesson 4. So, what do you know about the song Imaginarium, Maggie? Imaginarium, yeah. Imaginarium. It's typically sounded like an electronic hip-hop sound, or whatever. They irresistibly made some iconic soundtracks on this one that you can dynamically represent these type of sound pads on this one. What would you explain?
That sounded like a little ambient lead sound that the pads are just assembled. The Groovepad sound effects, and they're located between the color-coded variety of the sound pads.
So, the sound pads that are a little tricky on me?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, lesson 5. It sounded typically like an ambient sound, various things that that you can modelize. And Perp has omniscience.
Oh, okay, I get it.
I get it too, yeah. I don't like this type of stuff. Can't show stuff like this. I'm a little goofed up already. Okay. Well, lesson 6. Okay, so I can already tell that Madison Reed. No, we're not buying this type of stuff. Including cover grays with confidence. That is literally the initial look hair. Having a simple expression to it.
Alright, no talking.
Okay. I won't talk. I will finish the whole entire lesson and then we will be done. So here we go. Okay. It's kind of like a convenient slug of how I assembled the attraction. That's all. Not really. Lesson 8. The 8th lesson. Alright, lesson 9, and then the last one. Okay, so I noticed how the loops go forward and then you go further to a single development of my life. Uh-oh, give me 1 second. Alright guys, we gotta finish this before we even leave out this room. Alright, lesson 10, and even though we're just gonna try to do our best, try to qualify it, let me just do something really quick. Hold on.
Try to have a qualifying, a symbol attraction to your purchase. Yes, I.
Did I tell you not to hit that? No, I did hit her. Yeah, you did. Just walked right past the dog. Yeah, you did. Stop lying. Alright, last lesson, lesson 10. Even though these little loops going a bit faster. What in the world? Good and tasty? Again? How many times do I have to say this? Again, that's only for dogs to eat, not for adults. Alright, we're finally finished. I don't know what South Pack to do next. Maggie, do you remember what sound pack are we doing?
What?
Oh my goodness. Is it Concrete Jungle? Dubstep Machine? Dubstep Substance? Afro House or Euphoria? Or Genuine Trap? Which one?
That one.
That one? Are you kidding? Concrete Jungle? Okay. We can play that, but we got to play something else. By the next
Summer's here, and right now get 0% financing for 5 years on all 2026 Silverado 1500 models, with no payments for 90 days.
I've been playing Concrete Jungle since almost like 2 years. Not 2 years, but 2025. Not a year ago. I just like to play this song all the time. Here are the lessons. Okay guys, so let's close out the video. Okay guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give a like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know which song do you think I should do on Groovepad. If you do, let me know. Bye.